Hey guys, in this video, I will show you the 5 best BlueStacks alternative for low-end PC. Alright, let's begin. Coming in at number 5 is Mumu Nebula. Mumu Nebula is a lightweight Android emulator designed for smooth performance on low-end PCs. It is optimized for gaming and consumes fewer system resources compared to heavier emulators. At number 4, we have Memu Play Lite. Memu Play Lite is a trimmed-down version of the popular Memu emulator made specifically for weaker systems. It runs basic Android apps and games smoothly, without putting much load on your CPU or RAM. Coming in at number 3 is LD Player Lite. LD Player Lite focuses on stability and speed, even on older hardware. It is a good choice for casual gaming and app testing when your PC struggles with high-end emulators. At number 2 is Nox Player. Nox Player offers good performance with customizable settings for low-end PCs. By lowering RAM and CPU usage, it can run many Android apps smoothly on older systems. Finally, at number 1, we have GameLoop. GameLoop is highly optimized and works very well on low-end PCs, especially for gaming. It delivers stable performance and is officially supported for many popular games. That's it for this video. Thanks.